I'm at the side of a road. Okay, that line is awesome. I love it. These are all metal sculpture-y things. That's half driftwood, half sculpture. Oh, that's a flying bird. What I want is one of these cranes to go by my fish pond. But I thought, how cool is this? So, I'll show you. I have to call the guy. He's not here. It's Sunday morning. No, it's Sunday at lunchtime, actually. Look at that big ostrich back there. So cool. So, little cats. Oh, so cute. So I'll have to call him and get some prices, or stop back. Look at these flamingos. How cool are those? We could have a whole flamingo family. But what I want are one of these cranes, or two of these cranes, to go by my fish pond. So that's my plan. Oh my gosh, I have a whole pirate ship. All right, well, I thought that might be fun to show you. Have a great Sunday.